Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about two CSS properties, letter spacing and word spacing. These two properties in CSS decides how many spaces we need between the letters in a word and how many spaces we need between the words in a sentence. Okay. For example, here you can see the title Family Computer Center. So in this title, what I want to do is I want to have some spaces between the letters in this statement or in the heading. Okay, so that I'll switch over to my style document and I will use the element selector H1 and I will say letter spacing 5px. So you can see at the moment the spaces between the letters is increased to 5px. Correct? So whenever you need to increase the spaces between the letters in a heading or in a paragraph, you could use the CSS property called letter spacing. Okay. Now we will think about the CSS property called word spacing. So you can see in this paragraph there are different words. This is one word, this is another word, and so on. The paragraph is made up of many words, right? So the spaces between the words, I feel like this space between the word is very small, I'm thinking. Correct? Okay. So I want to increase the space between the word. So in that case, we will be using word space instead of letter spacing. Remember, letter spacing is used for generating the spaces between the letters. Word spacing is used for generating the spacing between the words in a paragraph or a title. Okay, so you can see word spacing, and I'm going to give like 8px. So you can see now the spaces between the words increased to 8px. So these are the two CSS property, letter spacing and word spacing, which will help you to set the spacing between the letters or words. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post. See you again. Bye for now.